Think about the last time you tried to use a financial app for something international. Did you get hit with a service not available in your region message? It's a frustrating experience, especially in a globalized world. When a company, especially in the crypto space, starts making waves, one of the first questions people ask is, can I even use it? It's a question of access, of reach, of whether this new, innovative tool is for a select few or for the many. This is a question that defines the user experience, and for a company like Bitwala, it's central to their mission. So, let's talk about Bitwala. You might know them by their former name, Nuri, but they've rebranded and are back, focusing on their core mission of providing a bridge between traditional banking and the world of crypto. They're a German-based company, which immediately tells you something about their regulatory environment. Germany has some of the strictest financial regulations in the world, which means that any service they offer is going to be built on a foundation of security and compliance. This isn't just a random app, it's a regulated financial service. But where does this service actually extend? After all, the world is a big place, and crypto is meant to be borderless. The answer is that Bitwala's current services are available in the European Economic Area, or EEA. Now, that's a big group of countries, but it's not the whole world. Specifically, Bitwala's app is available to users in 29 countries within the EEA. It's a significant number, and it includes major economies like France, Spain, Italy, and many more. It's a massive market with millions of potential users. It's also important to note what this doesn't include. The most notable exception from their current list of supported countries is Germany, their home country. This might seem strange, but it's a testament to the complex and evolving regulatory landscape they're navigating. They're actively working to bring their services to Germany, but for now, they've launched across the rest of the EEA first, proving their model and building their user base. So, when you consider how many countries Bitwala serves, the answer is a very specific and targeted number. It's not a global free-for-all, it's a strategic and compliant expansion across the European Economic Area. This focus allows them to provide a robust, regulated service, building trust in a space where it's often in short supply. They're not trying to be everywhere at once, they're aiming to be a trusted and reliable service in a specific and highly regulated market. This approach is what sets them apart, offering a secure and seamless way for people in these countries to engage with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's a clear signal that they are prioritizing security and regulatory compliance over a hasty, global rollout. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.